How to get your TikTok account unbanned. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. Without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open TikTok app on your mobile. As you open TikTok app on your mobile, then go down to the profile option. As you go down to the profile option, then you may know that your account can be hacked or can be blocked due to some various reasons. That are, you may be blocked by following someone, or you may be blocked by using VPN or some other thing. So you have to go to these three lines that are up above, and you click on these three lines and then go to settings and privacy, and then scroll down to report a problem. As you click on report a problem, now by clicking on report a problem, you will be able to go on a new screen. It will take some time to load. It usually do because of the internet problem or sometimes other problems. Now down here you have to find account and profile option. As you click on account and profile option, it will again take some time, and then you can go on manage accounts, go down on hacked accounts. Now you can pretend to TikTok that your account was hacked, so the TikTok will make your account, will unban your account, telling that your account was hacked and now you are back in the control. Now you can do that by clicking on this link that is over here. By clicking on this link, you can go to the link that the TikTok will open, and over there you can tell them that your account was banned, and by telling them you can get your TikTok account unbanned. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestion, put it down in the comment section. Also, if you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.